Hello all, welcome to my channel Maddie's Life in Europe. So today's special we are preparing palak rice or spinach rice, so which is very rich in nutrients and very easy to prepare, and we can also take it in the lunchbox. So let's start off. So firstly I'll take baby spinach, a bunch of baby spinach, and 3 green chilies. I'll cut it into pieces, and meanwhile I'll boil 1 glass of basmati rice and keep it aside. So meanwhile I'll make a paste of the spinach, green chilies, and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'll take 1 onion. So cut it into small pieces. Meanwhile shai jeera, clove, and cinnamon. So I'll fry them, and 1 onion, and add 1 spoon of turmeric, and 3 green chilies, and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste again, and also the paste which we have prepared. Now we'll take 1 spoon of red chili powder, the salt as per your taste, and 1 spoon dhania powder, and we'll fry it for some time. And then the cooked rice, we'll put it in the pan and we'll mix it. So this rice has to be cooked 90%, right, so that the remaining 10% will be cooked once we mix it with the spinach paste which we have prepared. So we'll mix it, and now fry some cashews and add it to the rice and mix well. So that's all, you can serve it. You can also try it at home and let me know. That's all for today. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.